This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cereal dispensers, specifically this Metlux 3-liter stainless steel cereal dispenser. It's a single compartment dispenser. It's 8 inches by 9 1/4 by 25, and there's also a 2-compartment option available as well. The clear cylinder is stylish and really shows off your cereals and snacks. It has an easy-to-turn knob that allows you to dispense cereal in fixed amounts with each turn. It's easy to fill by removing the top, and it's also easy to clean and wipe down between uses. It's perfect for use on buffets and self-service stations, and it even features a nice little built-in spot to mark where to rest your bowl to help reduce messes. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, and that stand it's in looks great and is sturdy as well. It's great for hotels, bed and breakfasts, breakfast buffets, for using at corporate events and meetings, or just to use as a stylish option for presentation of snacks in your office break room.